minute, I have a tutorial. Okay. Hey. Conjunctions. I'm your tutor for today, and I'm gonna teach you all about conjunctions. As you can see, I'm all alone here because my group mates are busy. So, I'm the only one who worked hard for a project. I said. But anyways, let's get started. Conjunctions and connectives. These are words that link parts of text. For example, when, because, which, and, with, if, but, therefore, however, furthermore, additionally, later, and earlier. Conjunctions. A conjunction is a joiner, a word that connects parts of a sentence. There are three basic types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, used to connect two independent clauses. Subordinating conjunctions, used to connect the dependent clause and the rest of the sentence. And correlative conjunctions, which also travel in pairs and join sentence parts that should be treated as equal. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions may join single words, or they may join groups of words. They always join similar elements. For example, subject plus subject, verb phrase plus verb phrase, sentence plus sentence. The 7 coordinating conjunctions in English are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Easy reminder. An easy way to remember these 6 conjunctions is to think of the word fanboys. Each of the letters in this somewhat unlikely word is the first letter of one of the coordinating conjunctions. Among the coordinating conjunctions, the most common of course are and, but, and or. Conjunctions are used to join sentences or clauses together. Subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction is a word which joins together a dependent clause and an independent clause. Common subordinating conjunctions are because, as, since, so, although, though, whereas, while, and after. Correlative conjunctions. Some conjunctions combine with other words to form what are called correlative conjunctions. They always travel in pairs, joining sentence parts that should be treated as equal. Common correlative conjunctions. For example, both, and, not only, but also, not, but, either, or, neither, nor, whether, or, as. Conjunctions are used to join sentences or clauses together. For example, Susie saw a dog. The dog only had 3 legs. To combine this, Susie saw a dog which only had 3 legs. Sarah ran away from the dog. The dog barked at Sarah. As you can see, to combine this, Sarah ran away when the dog barked, or Sarah ran away because the dog barked, or Sarah ran away until the dog barked. And that's all. That's all you need to know about conjunctions.